Hello, Wildcat Nation. This is your favorite HJH news reporter, Atoms Bonding. I am here today to interview a very popular scientist by the name of Mr. Zablockenstein. Mr. Zablockenstein, how are you?
Hello, how's it going, Atoms Bonding? It's me, Mr. Zablockenstein. So today I'm gonna help the kids identify what an acid, what a base is. Let's start from the beginnings, shall we?
That sounds very good, Mr. Zablockenstein. So let's go to the very nuts and bolts of a solution. Let's go to the very basics of a solution. Let me ask you a question. What makes a solution acidic? What makes a solution basic? Let's tell the world what it's all about. Let's tell the dozens and dozens of our news channel's favorite fans.
That's a great idea. Let's tell these fans. Well, first off, we know that pH stands for potential hydrogen. If you have a pH of 7, that means your solution is perfect. That's something you and I would like to drink to keep us hydrated. Now, if your pH is acidic, it has more H plus ions. Now, the more H plus ions, the stronger the solution. The closer you get to the number 1, the stronger and stronger the acid. The closer you get to the number 7, the weaker and weaker the acid. For a base, it's the complete opposite. We're dealing with OH negative ions. That is being pulled off the water molecule. The more OH negative ions, the more basic of the solution. That means the further away you get from 7, let's say you get to 14, that's a really strong base. Let's say you get closer and closer to 7, let's say you get to an 8, that would be a weak base.
Wow, that is neat. Well, I have one more question for you, Mr. Zablockenstein, before we get these kids going with the Z-Brainer. One more question. Now, my question for you is, give me some acidic properties. Tell me a little bit about acidic solutions, and then tell me a little bit about basic properties. Now, people tell me I'm kind of a basic guy.
If something is acidic, then it is sour or sweet or spicy. Usually in acids, we tend to deal with fruity drinks or tomato sauce or things of that nature. We also have acid in our stomach to help break down the food. When it comes to bases are usually a little chalky, they're slippery, found in a lot of cleaning products, and they're designed to help neutralize acids. That is not something you want to put in your system. Now, let's go ahead and see what we have in regards to acid or base.
Thank you for that, Mr. Zablockenstein. All right, class. Now, let's go ahead and determine which solution is an acid and which is a base, starting with number 1. Here we go. Okay, we learned a lot from Mr. Zablockenstein. Now, we need to determine if it's an acid or base. Number 1 in your Z-Brainer. Is this delicious beverage of water, H2O, acidic or basic? Number 2, I have a solution of soapy water. Would that be acidic or basic? Number 3, I have a delicious solution of orange juice. Is it acidic or basic? Number 4, I got this delicious solution of hot sauce. Is it acidic or basic? Oh, it's so hot. Oh! And last but not least, I have a delicious solution of salt water. Is it acidic or basic? Well, this concludes our episode of HJH News. Thank you for Mr. Zablockenstein for helping us today. We wish you well with today's laboratory, and good luck with your acids and bases. Bye-bye.